Hi guys.
Hello.
Say hi everybody.
Hi.
Darren.
Look.
Look at those cute kids. Don't hold his hands. Aw, look at my sweet babies. How much do you love your brother?
This much.
Yeah?
And he loves me this much.
Yes, he does. Don't pull him. Whoa! Can you make him laugh? Can you make him laugh?